Now in this video, I will show you the sequence that you will navigate within the module. Now first and foremost, over here on this page you see a sample of the kind of question that you will have to solve. The DC circuit questions actually were covered in the Sec 2 syllabus, so you certainly will find that some of these things over here are rather familiar. So as we look at this DC circuit, there's a source over here which is a cell, and it provides what we call this electromotive force, or in short we call it EMF. And over here we have got a combination of fixed resistors, the 40 ohm resistor, 50 ohm resistor, as well as a variable resistor R. So variable resistor R is also sometimes called rheostat. So essentially what it means is that for a rheostat you can actually adjust the resistance, whereas for the fixed resistors you cannot adjust. Okay, and in a DC circuit sometimes it comes with ammeters like this, as well as voltmeters to give you readings at various parts of the circuit. So in this case the ammeter reads 0.2 ampere. Now questions that follows usually will test you, or in fact will ask for these three physical quantities to be calculated. So V, which represents the potential difference, I, which represents the current, and R, which represents resistance. So this three forms a relationship which is very important for these two chapters. This is what we call Ohm's law. And certainly in every DC circuit question you will have to use Ohm's law to solve for the question. Now we will leave this page right now to move to Ask and Learn. Now this is the page that you have seen earlier on. So I've told you that you need to observe the overview first. So of course right now I'm doing the video for overview. The link is not there yet, but it will be parked there very soon. So it's actually advisable that you finish all the modules in Ask and Learn before you watch all these videos. And in Ask and Learn, I have in all 9 submodules for you to learn about the DC circuits. So starting with the very basic things like what constitutes to electric current will be the flow of charges. What actually causes the charges to flow in the circuit will be the electromotive force. What allows for charges to flow through electric components like light bulbs will be this thing called the potential difference. And in every circuit we're going to have resistors, it's either parallel or series, variable or fixed resistors, to be parked at various parts of DC circuit. So you got to learn about the resistors over here. And number 6 would be a very important lesson over here, that you must learn about the Ohm's law. And as mentioned just now, in every DC circuit question you certainly will need to apply Ohm's law. Following Ohm's law, we have got 7, 8 and 9. Over here it covers essentially what you see in a DC circuit in terms of the resistors and cells. All this will actually prepare you to solve for questions. Now let me just go back to where we were just now. So after viewing all the submodules on the previous page, now I advise you to actually come back to this page and use the link to get to the YouTube to watch these videos. Watch them in sequence. So first and foremost, come and take a look at connecting DC circuit. There's a video over there. and in that video I'll be using this link, right? The link consists of a simulation that I strongly advise that you go and try. Okay, so once you have learned enough about DC circuit from this module, I want you to look at how I solve for two questions. So one of these two questions are here. Now it's never enough to actually just look at how I solve the questions. Certainly on your own, I hope you're going to spend a bit of time. You can get the questions from your textbook, you can get them from the 10 series, but certainly you have to try the questions in order to know how to use the various equations, especially the Ohm's law, V equals to IR. Now have fun doing this module.